Hey guys, it's Pretty Mac. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a trimmed brow. The small brows. So to start, you firstly want to trim your brows because you can't draw a small looking brows with a big hairy eyebrows. So you want to take the blade and then trim your brows. If you want to know how to trim your own brows, just comment in the comment section and I'm gonna do a video on how to trim your brows. Next, when you are drawing your brows, you want to make sure you are at the edge of your brows, not like drawing making it look big. Make sure you are at the edge. You are at any part of your brows. Make sure you in your brows is to draw the end brow. I don't know if this makes sense, but make sure you are in your brows at the end part. You see, as you can see, make sure you are at the edge. Don't leave no space. See how I'm doing it there, and at the end make sure you are in the brows itself, not at the edge. You are in the brows itself at the end, so as to get the sharp end, you know what I'm saying. So like do the other side quickly and beautifully. You see what I'm saying? You see you are in the brows at the end. At the beginning you are at the edge, the very edge, no space. Afterwards, you goes in and then shade in your brows. You can do a light stroke if you don't want it to be too dark, but just go ahead and shade in your brows. Little by little, just like that. Afterwards, go in and blend while you are blending, so as to cancel some of the harsh lines, so that it looks so natural. Go in and blend it. Take your time and blend it. Now you go on and put on your brows gel, so as to lay the brows. I know you're gonna trim the brows and it's gonna be so short and tiny, but I love to add brows gel because it makes it look so cute. I don't know about y'all, but it makes it look so cute. Oh my god, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe because I love you and I'm gonna be dropping new videos, new educative video. If there's anything you want to know about makeup or social media, because that's the two my channel is based on, just comment in the comment section and I am gonna attend to your comment. I'm gonna do a video about it. Don't be shy, baby girl. Gotta learn how to slay. So after you add your brows gel, you want to fin it or leave it for it to air dry a bit. Afterward, you go in with your flat brush and your foundation. I'm using foundation on it because I want it to look natural. I'm not putting on makeup. I just want to do the brows and do this tutorial. But you can clean your brows with concealer if you are putting on makeup. So as you can see, you are going to lift your brows so as to get to the line itself. You want to get the line because you are trying to obtain a small looking brows. So don't worry, you can go. I'm going on it first to just clean around it, and then I'm going to reach to the line itself. Go all the way up. You don't want no spacing because you are trying to obtain a small trimmed looking brows. As you can see, this little space over there, I'm trying to clean it. This is the crucial area because any small mistake you make, your brows are gonna be looking like snake roll. So you have to take your time to make it look so cute. As you can see, I am taking my time, making sure it's clean, and then as well, as you can see, I'm going as close as possible to the line. Forget about the hair, to the line that you draw. The line is the line for me. Make sure you clean it. Take your time and clean it. So after cleaning underneath your brows, it's over the brows. You don't want to use much foundation because if you use much foundation, it's going to give you a hard time to clean it, or you're going to get a snake roll. So you want to use a bit of foundation to clean over your brows, and make sure you clean it as close as possible so as to obtain the trimmed looking brows. So you need to take your time to clean it with little concealer, and make sure to obtain the sharp end. The sharp end is the goal. Small brows with sharp end. Make sure you can always trim the end to make sure that it looks small. So see what I'm talking about here. On this other side, I'm using a lot of foundation to show you guys how it's gonna be so difficult to clean when you are using lots of foundation. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. It's gonna give you a snake roll instead of a straight cute looking brows. You see how to clean it is a bit difficult, and it's gonna give you a snake roll. You see there? That's why you should use mush foundation to clean. So there you go. I have cleaned the foundation from around it to make it look so natural. This is my natural everyday brows, and you can use it. You can do this brow if you are putting on full makeup. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned one or two, please give this video a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be dropping a lot of good videos. Thanks for watching. I love you, and I can't wait to see you in another video. Bye.
I'm that bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch.